Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by combining what you already have, domain, hosting, and ideas, and taking the first actionable steps now. Use WordPress or a static generator so setup is fast. Install TLS and a theme. Once done, create 5 pillar posts and outline categories that match search intent so content structures your site. Ask Chatgpt to draft post outlines and meta descriptions. This speeds writing and enforces consistency. Make sure to enable backups before you publish anything live. You now move into the complex middle, turning outlines into full posts and adding features. Feed Chatgpt your outlines and ask for full drafts with H2, examples, and internal link suggestions. Edit for voice and accuracy. Install SEO and caching plugins to boost speed and search visibility, then wire up analytics and an email capture form. Once done, add schema markup for articles and test page speed. Make sure to proofread AI drafts and validate structured data to avoid errors. You finish by launching and closely monitoring performance so issues don't fester. Publish a small batch of polished posts, submit your sitemap, and verify Search Console and analytics. Once traffic arrives, track CTR, bounce rate, and crawl errors, then prioritize fixes that affect indexing and user experience. If something breaks, disable recent plugins, clear caches, and test in incognito and on mobile. One key tip: if search indexing fails, recheck robot settings and resubmit the sitemap after fixing any block.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.